What's up? We are the group 4 and for today's video, we will going to tackle about self. How well do you know yourself? Nature and nurture are both contribute to the development of a child. What are the factors in the development of self? Heredity. Heredity is the transmission of physical characteristics from parents to children through genes. It influences all aspects of physical appearance such as height, weight, body structure, color of the eye, color of the hair, and also some diseases like diabetes. Environment. For me, this is the dominant because it plays critical role in development of children. Some environmental factors influences early childhood development. It involves here the surroundings, relationship with the family, condition of the place, this one. A good school and a loving parents builds a strong child. Sex or gender is also a factors. Boys and girls grow in different ways. Hormones, socioeconomic status, geographical influence, family influence, nutrition, and even the learning is a factors in development of self. How well do you know yourself?
Good day everyone, I am Jahan Capistrano, BTV 1P Episode A. Today we will tackle about the human development. There are 6 stages in human development: the fetus, the baby, the childhood, that divided into 3 sub-stages: toddler 1 to 3 years old, preschooler 3 to 5 years old, and the primary school boy is 5 to 12 years old. Adolescence, adulthood, and old person. Fetus. An egg from the mother is fertilized by a sperm from the father. Baby. After 9 months in the mother's womb, the baby is born. Childhood. It was divided into 3 sub-stages: toddler 1 to 3 years old, preschooler 3 to 5 years old, and primary school boy 5 to 12 years old. This is the stage that a child grows into an adolescent through a period called puberty. Adolescents, also called teenagers. Adulthood. People who are from age 20 to 65 years old, right age to reproduce and make their own family. When a person reaches 65 years of age, he is known as an old or elderly person.
Social Self-Theory by George Herbert Mead. First, who is George Herbert Mead? George Herbert Mead is an American sociologist known as one of the founder of social psychology. He made the concept of me and I. The me and I in Mead's theory is based on perspective that the self emerged from social interaction. The self is not there from birth, but it is developed over time from social activities and experience. There are 2 sides of the self. The first one is me, which represent learned behaviors, attitudes, and expectation of others on the society face of the self from the past. The second side of the self is I, which represent the individual's identity based on the response to the me.
George Herbert Mead, Stages of the Self. It is useful model of the process by which the self emerges 3 defined stages: the preparatory stage, the play stage, and the game stage. Number 1. The preparatory stage. At this stage, merely imitate the people around, especially family members with whom they continually interact. Example, when others laugh and smiles, child will laugh and smiles too. Number 2. The play stage. Children develop their skills in communicating through symbols and role-taking occurs. Role-taking. Process of mentally assuming perspective of another and responding from the imagined of viewpoint. Number 3. The game stage. Children of about 8 or 9 consider several actual tasks and relationships simultaneously. Med use the term generalize. In other stage, which means attitudes, viewpoints, and expectations of society as a whole that a child takes into account in his or her behavior.
Hi po. So, yung topic po namin is about a self-understanding. So, mag-share lang din ako ng konting experience ko din about sa topic namin. Ayon sa philosopher na si George Herbert Mead, hindi nabubuo or hindi mabubuo yung sarili natin kung wala tayong interaction sa ibang tao o pakikipagsalamuha sa ibang society or sa ating society mismo. Nabubuo yung tayo or yung sarili natin sa pamamagitan ng araw-araw na pakikipagsalamuha sa ibang tao. Nade-develop yan kasi meron tayong developing yan. Malalaman lang natin yan or na-experience natin yung pagiging development pag lumalaki tayo. So, yung about naman dun sa sinabi ni philosopher George Herbert Mead, yung I and me na isinagawa niya or ipinopropose niya sa kanyang philosophy. Yung I, ito yung intellectual or yung sarili natin, o yung iniisip natin. At yung me naman, ito yung sagot sa iniisip natin, o ito yung individual natin na ginagawa, behaviors, yung ginagawa natin o yung attitude at saka expectation natin dun sa iniisip or naiisip natin na gawin. Example, meron akong experience na ganyan yung kunwari, iisipin mo na ay ayoko na muna mag cellphone kasi masakit na yung ulo ko. Pero pagdating ng kinabukasan, yun yung dapat na araw na hindi ka na magsa-cellphone. Pero syempre, yung pagiging tayo or yung self natin as me, yun yung gagawa. Pero minsan hindi natin nagagawa kasi yung naiisip natin na hindi natin gagawin, pagdating nung araw na yun, hindi natin nagagawa. Kasi hindi natin napipigilan yung sarili natin gumawa. Kasi ito yung sagot sa iniisip natin or iniisip na gagawin, yung hindi tayo gagawa or hindi tayo gagamit ng cellphone today. Yun, hindi natin mapipigilan yung sarili. Kasi yun yung intellectual natin eh. Ito yung tayo. Diba? Ito yung sarili natin. Kasi yung iisipin mo lang pero kinabukasan hindi mo din kaya kailangan talaga nating salamuha sa ibang tao para maraman natin yung development na ginagawa natin araw-araw. At yun lang. Thank you.